Right. Hi, everyone. All right. So this video is going to show you how you can use your external webcam as a makeshift document camera at home. So the webcam that everybody received for their desktop computer, you need to unplug it. So just follow the cord to the back of the computer and unplug the cord from the USB port in the back of your desktop computer. That's the first thing you need to do. And this little guy is going to be your best friend, all right? So what we're going to do is you're going to have to plug this in to the USB port in your laptop, okay? So there's two USB ports, one on each side of the laptop. Just make sure that you're plugging it into the one that is a rectangle and not the one that has like the angles in the corner. That's the HDMI port. You want to plug it into the one that's more like a rectangle. And you can plug it in on either side of your laptop. So I'm going to plug it in. And when you plug it in, the laptop is going to make some noise. It has to recognize the new hardware. So you have to give it a minute or so for it to recognize the external webcam. Okay, so once you hear the noise and that is over, you should be ready to go. Okay. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to actually use Screencastify. Okay, so Screencastify is going to allow you to change your internal webcam or choose a webcam, and then you can capture your desk or your paper using the webcam, and Screencastify will actually be the tool that you're going to use to recapture it, and then it records it for you. So it's an extra bonus. So you can use that recording as a resource for your lesson. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch my view and I'm going to end this video. So hold on. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is open up Screencastify. All right, and you're going to change your camera settings. So right now my camera is set as the default for the internal webcam, okay? So you want to change this setting. So you want to change it to the new camera that you plugged in. So mine is UVC camera. Your camera name may be something different, all right? So just select the new name or the new device in the camera, and you're going to select webcam only, okay? And when you're done with that, you click record. And now you hold the camera and you take the camera and you move it to wherever you need to. All right, see here, I'm showing my room. All right, but what you're going to do is you're going to take the camera and put it on something, and you're going to point it down to your desk, and you can use it as a document camera. Okay, so you're going to point it to your desk and you can write your notes, you can show your worksheet, you can show your work here, and the students will be able to see it on the screen. Okay, and what this is going to do, again, it's going to record this. So you can have this resource recorded and attach it to your assignment so that students can refer back to this video and watch your lesson again. Okay, all right, I hope you found this helpful. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm going to show you how to use your external webcam in Zoom so that you can use it as a document camera. So I started a meeting in Zoom, so you can see me talking to you. So what you have to do before you start Zoom is, again, plug the external webcam into your laptop in the USB port, okay? And once you plug it in, wait for this little beeps to come on, and once you hear them, your computer has already identified with the webcam, so you can start using it, okay? So next up, you go into Zoom, you start your meeting, okay? And I'm going to explain to you here at the bottom. So at the bottom, we have a toolbar, okay? And you can configure your microphone and your video. Once you plug in your external webcam, if you click on this little arrow here for the video, you're going to see there are multiple cameras to select from, okay? Because you have your internal webcam from the laptop and your external one. So what you can do is click on the external webcam. So whatever the new device is called, click on it, okay? Mine is called UVC camera. And now I have control over my external webcam. So at this point here, I can take my external webcam and point it down to my desk, all right? And you can actually start displaying, show your work or whatnot. Okay, so I might be holding it. I don't know why it's showing it reversed. So that's something that we would have to configure. So let's see. Let me go back into video settings. Okay, so there you go. All right, so if that happens to you, okay, you have to adjust your video settings like how I just did on mine. Okay, so you just have to click on that up arrow, go to video settings, and my video was mirrored. So that's why my text was flipped. Okay, so if your text is flipped, check your video settings and uncheck mirror my video. Okay, so again, just to recap, you just click on this little up arrow here for the video and you select your webcam, your external one, and now you can use it as a document camera. Okay, now in Zoom, you're not going to it depends. Well, you may be able to record your session if you want to. Okay. I'm not really sure. I think you can. I have the paid version of Zoom, so I'm not sure what the free version offers. But if you want, if you have that option, you can record it. If you don't want to record or you don't have that option, then you can just use it as an external webcam. And you're ready to go. So now the students will see your notes, your desk, and you're using your external webcam, and you're golden. All right. So when you're all done and you want to speak to your kids, okay, you have to go back into your video and change it to your integrated webcam, your internal webcam. All right. And now that brings you back to them. Okay. So that's the way I would handle it. I would do it that way. You're going to want to have something to rest this webcam on. So if you have like a little wire shelf or, something that you can rest this on, maybe a pile of books, but you're going to need something to hold it because you're not going to want to hold it and manipulate the mouse and write your notes or whatnot on your desk. All right. I hope you found this helpful.